Next question is, in a certain factory turning out razor blades, there is a small chance of 0.002 for any blade to be defective. The blades are supplied in packets of 10. Use Poisson distribution to calculate approximate number of packets containing no defective. Okay, one first condition is what here, no defective. Next, one defective and two defective blades respectively in a consignment of 10,000 packets. Fine. Now solution. So given is 0.002 is nothing but P is 0.002, and they have made a blade of how many packets here? Packet of 10. So N is 10. So therefore M is nothing but NP, that is 10 into 0.002, which is nothing but, simplification is 0.02. it is the value of your M. So once we got M, but we need to calculate a consignment for 10,000 here. So now Poisson distribution is given by P of x is equal to m raised to x e raised to minus m divided by x factorial. But we need to calculate this for consignment of what here, or I will write first, which is nothing but m is 0.02 raised to x e raised to minus 0.02 divided by x factorial. Now we need to find the consignment of 10,000 packet. So here for consignment of 10,000 packets, it will be 10,000 of P of x, which is nothing but what here, 10,000 into 0.02 raised to x e raised to 0.02 divided by x factorial. Fine. Or else will not mention here 10,000, you write consignment 10,000 means 10,000 into P of x. So will mention, will not use this one. Okay, so P of x will be this formula, because we need to find the result of 10,000 packets. So you multiply 10,000. So therefore the first case, no defective, will use this formula. For all, we have three results, we need to find no defective, one defective and two defective. So first one I will take it as no defective. No defective means P of x equal to 0. Just a minute. Okay, no defective means what here? P of x is equal to 0 means here 10,000 into 0.02 raised to 0 into e raised to minus 0.02 divided by 0 factorial, and if you calculate you will get this answer as 196. Okay, 10,000 into this 0.02 raised to 0 is 1, and you need to calculate the value of e raised to minus 0.02 into 10,000, you will get total 196. Second one is one defective. It is given in the question. One defective means what here? P of x is equal to 1, which is nothing but 10,000 into 0.02 raised to 1 e raised to minus 0.02 divided by 1 factorial, and if you calculate you will get this result as, so there is a small correction in the calculation here. The first one it is 10,000. This I am talking 10,000 into this 0.02 raised to 0 is 1 and 0 factorial is 1, so you multiply shift e raised to minus 0.02, so we'll get this one as 9801.9. so you this number 9801.98, so you, because of 9 you add here, it will become, so just make a small correction here, so 9802 quantity. Okay, so no defective means out of 10,000, 9,802 packets are not defective. Similarly, if you calculate the second result here, it is again, so 10,000 into, so raised to 1 means into 0.02 into 1 factorial is 1 itself, so multiply into shift e raised to minus 0.02 and the resultant will be 196.0, so it is 196. And the last one, third one, so they have said 2 defective, so which means p of x is equal to 2, that is 10,000 into 0.02 raised to 2 into e raised to minus 0.02 divided by 2 factorial, and if you calculate this you will get here answer as 2. Okay, approximately 2. So if you add 9802 plus 196 plus 2, you will get back again 10,000 here. So out of 10,000, no defective are 9802 and 1 defective items are 196 and 2 defective items are 2 here. So in this way you have to calculate for the Poisson distribution. For here n will be large and p will be very small. At that time we need to apply.